Good morning out there. Happy Saturday. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everyone is happy and healthy. Today is April 18th, 2020, and it's a beautiful Saturday morning here in Palm City, Florida. Just wanted to take a moment to review our index performance for March 2020. So about 3 weeks or so ago, we had broadcast a live stream and we had gone over the index performance that are found in fixed indexed annuities, and we discussed their performance through the middle of March, and we had some positive results while everything else in the market was down. These proprietary indexes that are found in fixed indexed annuities, actually there were about a dozen of them or so that were actually still positive. And the reason why I showcased that was because when you're looking at an annuity, especially a type of fixed annuity, there's two strategies or two types of what we call plays here. So there's a growth play and there's a lifetime income play. So fixed indexed annuities actually have the ability to provide both safe growth and lifetime income. But when we're looking at the index performance report, we're really looking at these specifically for safe accumulation or safe growth. So if you're not aware, fixed indexed annuities are one of the only investment vehicles that offers a guarantee of principal protection, meaning every dollar that you put into a fixed indexed annuity, you're guaranteed by the issuing insurance company that you'll never lose your investment. If the market is down, if the index is down, your money is protected and guaranteed and backed by the issuing insurance company. Now, a fixed indexed annuity is a great tool to grow your money safely, and they're designed to allow someone to participate in the market and specifically in the upside of the market while being protected from the downside. So if you find yourself within the retirement red zone, which is if you're within 10 years of retirement or you've just retired and you're on the backside of 10 years of being into retirement, then a fixed indexed annuity can offer some great peace of mind and confidence that your money and your savings is protected. But if the market does well, you get to participate in that. Now, in addition, fixed indexed annuities are designed by world-class money managers and people that really understand the volatility of the markets. And they design these proprietary index strategies that are only found in fixed indexed annuities. So to get access to these proprietary index designs that allow people to still make money in these volatile markets, you're only going to find that in a fixed indexed annuity. So today we're going to be reviewing the index performance, which is just a report of the performance for all of the proprietary indexes that are found in indexed annuities. And we're going to go ahead and take a look at that real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Hopefully this will work for us. I just upgraded my computer to Windows 10, so bear with me as I'm getting comfortable with that. Okay, so hopefully everybody can see my screen here. I'm going to go ahead and pull up the report. So first, what we do here at Annuity Association is we analyze the index performance of these proprietary indexes found in fixed indexed annuities. And the reason we do that is if a client is looking at using a fixed indexed annuity for safe growth, well, in order to do our fiduciary part in finding and identifying the true best indexes, we have to analyze their performance. And so we first dive into this report. And so you're going to see the index name on the left. You'll see the next column will have the year-to-date performance, followed by the 2019 performance, the last 5 years performance, and the last 10 years. Now, the S&P 500 through the end of March is down over 20%. The S&P 500 is what we use as a benchmark to determine the overall market performance in the stock market. And as you'll see on this list, a lot of these proprietary indexes are also negative, but they're not nearly close to 20%, many of them. A lot of them are less than 5%, and majority of them are under 10%. So regardless, if you were in a fixed indexed annuity and you happen to be in one of these strategies that's showing a negative percentage rate year to date, do not worry, do not fret. Your money's still protected. The part of the fixed indexed annuity is they offer guarantees on principal protection. So regardless if the index that you're using as your crediting strategy is down, your money is at, it's level, it stays whole. It does not experience loss. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at these indexes, and really what we're trying to identify is through March 31st, which you can see this report is through March 31st of 2020, we're going to want to find the indexes that are still positive, because those are the ones that we really want to take a look at when we're navigating a volatile market. A lot of these indexes that we're going to review today are what they call volatility controlled indexes, and they have triggers and rules built into the index strategy that allows them to trade daily to adjust the portfolio mix with the idea and the goal of trying to take advantage of the volatility to provide positive growth, and also shifting the portfolio mix to avoid loss. So this is a true testament to how well these are actually doing. So let's go ahead and dive in and look at, I'm just going to, briefly highlight or call out the performance. So we have the Bloomberg US Dynamic Balance 2 is a 0.04% year to date, and then 2019, 14.24, last 5 years, 5.88%, and then the last 10 years, 6.18%. We're going to keep scrolling. We have the Citi Flexible Allocation 6 excess return. Year to date, 3.86%. Now keep in mind, it's all through this volatile, this last couple months of this volatility caused by the pandemic. So Citi Flexible's up 3.86%. And this is a much more conservative index strategy. You'll see last year it was 4.63%, 2.61 the last 5 years, 2.92%. And keep on coming down. We have the Deutsche Momentum Allocator 5.5% VCI. It's 0.56% year to date, 9.42 2019, 2.07 for the last 5 years, and 3.63 for the last 10. We have the Goldman Sachs Motif Aging of America Index up 1.66% year to date, 11.04% last year, 3.18% last 5 years, 5.71% last 10 years. And we have the Merrill Lynch Strategic Balanced Index up 3.33% year to date, 14.18%, 2019, 4.21% last 5 years, and 6.36 the last 10. Merrill Lynch RPM, it's right at 0%. 8.43 last year, 2.14 the last 5, 4.53 the last 10. So next is the Zebra Edge from New York Stock Exchange. The 11% last year, 4.56 last 5, 7.01 the last 10. You'll see a lot of these are negative, but we're really focusing on the gains. This one here is the one that I really think is one of the top indexes to take a look at. It's the S&P Mark 5, 2.86% year to date, 13.7% growth last year, 4.59% the last 5, and 5.57% the last 10. Then you have the USB Market Pioneers Index, 0.07% year to date, 8.28 last year, 2.02 last 5, 3.56 the last 10. Now, you're probably wondering, okay, that's great. What does this mean? Well, what we do is we analyze the positive indexes through these volatile periods, and we've identified those right now. There's actually a total of 10 of them. So then what we're going to do is use our proprietary software, and we're going to go into our analyzing tool, which is going to help us identify which fixed indexed annuities are available on the marketplace with those specific index strategies. So we're going to go down. This will only take a second. I'm going to go ahead and add those to the report. Just bear with me for just a moment. All right. Almost finished. Okay. We've got all those added. And now what we're going to do is take a look at our findings. So what this report is doing is identifying the carrier or the insurance company and the specific annuity product that they offer that these specific indexes that we've just identified are offered in. So, and it's going to list them in chronological order of their performance using some back testing. And we're going to take a look at the last 10 years with these specific index strategies. So you'll see from Sentinel Security Life, they offer the Retirement Plus Multiplier 7, which is a fixed indexed annuity, and it has the Goldman Sachs motive with a 3-year point-to-point participation. Based on those numbers from this, the design of this product, which has a 200% participation rate, which is really incredible, you'll see here that the performance the last 10 years, if you had money in this type of account, you would have seen an average of 7.22% from December 31st of 2009 to December 31st of 2019. These numbers below are further back testing to determine the best 10-year period, which would have been from August 16th of 2009 to August 16th of 2019. And also the worst 10-year period would have been April 5th of 2008 to April 5th of 2018. So the reason we do that is it allows us to really take a look at analyzing this product and the historical performance and how it would have done best case scenario and worst case scenario. So you're looking at from anywhere from 6.4% worst case to 7.93% best case, all with, during that period of time, if your money was invested in this product, you would have had peace of mind and confidence that regardless of the economic and market conditions, you would not have lost a penny inside this product because of the guarantees of principal protection only found in a fixed indexed annuity. So we'll see some additional products, same strategies offered by a different company, Atlantic Coast Life. We have a 7.22% growth. So Equitrust offers one as well, 7.1%, and that one is the S&P Mark V, which is another one of the strategies. It's actually the one that I'm a fan of the most, just because of the way it's built, and it's really designed to really keep up with inflation and some of these other contributing factors that we're going to be battling the next good period of time. So you'll see this report is showing us all of these products and what the performance would have been inside of them. So we're looking from top to bottom, 7.22%, and on the bottom of the page down to 5.46%. So this is a prime example of how we're able to help clients identify not only the best fixed indexed annuity for their specific retirement portfolio, but to also identify the best strategies found in the product so that they can really take advantage of the safety and guarantees of principal protection, but capture the upside of the market potential that are available in these products. So if you're looking at, okay, well, you're probably seeing these companies and you're like, well, I've never really heard of them before. Maybe I'm not familiar. We can identify the information on those products, those carriers specifically. These top performing ones are B++ rated companies. But if you were telling us that, hey, we only want to look at A rated companies or better, we can go right in here, sort by that, and identify the best products from A-rated companies or better that offer these same index strategies that have volatility control measures built into them. So we'll see AIG with their Power Select Builder comes up with the Merrill Lynch Strategic Balance point to point, and you'll see the 10-year growth, average annual credit, 5.79%. The best 10-year period, 7.07%, and the best or the worst 10-year period, 4.19%. You'll see here this product also has been offered by AIG with this crediting strategy for quite a long time. So you'll see that we're able to see the 15-year performance and the 20-year performance using these data points. 4.19 for 15 years and 5.46 for 20 years. So if you're looking, let's put it this way, if you're either approaching retirement or you are retired and you're looking for opportunities to safely grow your money with peace of mind that you'll never lose a dime, then a fixed indexed annuity focused on safe accumulation using these proprietary indexes only found in a fixed indexed annuity are going to be what you want to take a look at. So I hope that you found this report very helpful. I hope that you found our analysis very helpful. And I hope that it's added some confidence in what these fixed indexed annuities can do for you in your overall retirement strategy. So if you're interested in scheduling a time to speak with me and one of our senior retirement advisors, you can go to annuityassociation.com, and at the top right-hand corner, you're going to see a button that says Find Your Annuity. You'll click that button, fill out the form there, and that'll send us your information and what you're looking for from an annuity goal perspective and a retirement goal perspective. And we'll reach out to you and schedule a time to speak that's convenient for you. So hope you have a great day. Hope you have a great weekend. Be on the lookout for another video coming up shortly where we're going to be looking at some fixed annuities that offer guaranteed interest for a similar, a rated period of time or a certain amount of time, similar to a CD. So we're going to do that next. We've had a lot of interest in those, and I want to put that content out so that you can hopefully gain some value from it. So hope everyone takes care of one another out there. Be safe. Have a great weekend. Thanks so much.